Hey guys, have you seen the latest article from Inman that talks about realtors' income for 2021 and 2022? So this was put out by Inman on the 12th of this month, so just a couple days ago. And these numbers were really quite shocking to me. So I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the highlights and some of the things that were really kind of disturbing as someone who's been in this business for a while. So first of all, they talk about the fact that there was a 0.18 increase from 2021 to 2022 in terms of gross income for real estate agents. The bad news is if you're a brand new agent, you're probably making $9,600 a year. If you're making more, kudos to you. The numbers for the average agent that have been in, so let's say for a period of time between 5 and 10 years, your average gross income is $54,400 as of 2022. $54,400. That means, as a gross number, that you're paying your taxes out of it, you're paying your insurance, your broker, gas, fees, everything else is coming out of that number. So what is your net number really? It further went on to say that realtors with 16 or more years of experience, so I've been doing this for 18 years, so I fall in this category, that the median gross income is $80,700. A 5% drop from 2021. This is all based on last year's numbers. $80,700, again, a gross number. So if you're looking at what's going on in the marketplace, what's going on with realtors, and we're seeing a lot of people disappear from this marketplace. I don't want that to be you. The reason I want to talk about this is really simple. I mean, on my team here at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the Nancy Kowalik Group, my agents, my full-time agents make 6 figures net. In other words, they're not paying for lock boxes. They're not paying for signs. They're not paying for advertising. They are paying, of course, their own taxes. They're paying their own errors and omissions insurance. That's pretty much it. So my agents make at least 6 figures. My top agents make between $200 and $250. The top agent actually did that while she was homeschooling her children. I love that story, and it's the truth. So these agents are we give you appointments, we give you support. We give you the lock boxes, the signs, the marketing, all of it. So you're meeting people face-to-face as appointments, and you're taking them from appointment to closing. That's all I need from you. I need great communication. I need the best 5-star service you can give to a client. I need communication with the office, and you get to live your best life. Your best life should include a great income so you can do what you want. Again, I'll go back to my top agent. I don't know, 2 or 3 cruises this year while making $250,000 net number for real. So and that's not one, I have 3 making that kind of 4 making that kind of money. So if you are interested, and by the way, I want to grow them to between $300,000 and $400,000. That's where I want to head with them. So I just need 1 or 2 more really top of the line agents that want to make really good money and have an amazing life to give me a call. It's a confidential call. I will show you 1099s. I have no qualms with that. You can talk to my agents. They're eager to talk to you because right now I'm begging them to take appointments. We are so busy, and I need to change that dynamic a bit because I want everybody to have 5-star service. So please give me a call at the number on the screen. I'm Nancy Kowalik. What have you got to lose? Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the Nancy Kowalik Group. Go out and make it a great day, and I look forward to talking to you.